Struggling to add teammates to your Jira project? Stop clicking aimlessly. Here is exactly how to invite members in under 2 minutes. All right, so here is the game plan. We're going to open up Jira, navigate to the Teams section, select the specific team you want to work with, and then add people just by typing their name or email. I will walk you through each step right now. Start by logging into your Jira account. This is the main dashboard you land on after you sign in. Now, I always recommend making sure you are on the right organization before you do anything else. You can usually see that in the top left corner. If you manage a few different workspaces, that little detail saves a lot of headaches later. So go ahead and log in, and I will meet you on the home screen. Once you are logged in, look over at the left sidebar, that column with all the navigation options. You are going to see a lot of familiar labels like projects, issues, and filters. Right there in that list is the one we need. Click on Teams. This is your hub for managing everyone who works with you. It is a central spot where you can see who is already in which group and who is not. So go ahead and give that a click. Now, from this Teams list, pick the specific one you want to add members to. If you're like me, you might have a team for your developers, one for marketing, maybe one for your project managers. Click on the name of the team that needs the new person. This opens up the team page, where you can see current members, their roles, and all the project details. Take a second to make sure you have the right one selected. All right, here is a crucial part. Find the Add People button at the top right corner of this page. It is usually a blue button, really easy to spot. Now, pay attention to this one because a lot of people miss it. Do not go digging through the project settings or the user management area. That is a common trap. The Add People button is right there on the team page itself, front and center. Just click it. Type the person's name or email address in the field that pops up. Jira is pretty smart here. As you start typing, it will try to auto-suggest users from your existing company directory. So if your coworker is already in the system, you might just see their name pop up. You can click on that suggestion directly. If they are completely new and external, just type their full email address. Take your time to spell it correctly. A wrong letter means the invitation goes nowhere, and then you are stuck wondering why they never joined. Finally, click Confirm to send the invitation. This is the final click. Once you hit that button, Jira takes over. It sends them an email notification letting them know they have been added. This might take a moment to process, but usually it is instant. They will get a link to accept the invite and join your project space. And that is it. From that moment on, you are collaborating. They can see the boards, assign tasks, and work right alongside you. I have tested this workflow across dozens of Jira instances, and it is consistently the fastest way to get someone in. Thanks for sticking with me. Now you can get back to actually building things with your team instead of fighting with the settings menu. I will catch you in the next one.